Ginebra. We talked about turnovers, partner. Sa tingin ko, ito Pacola, when you put chances of winning, must commit less than 20. I would say anywhere between 16 to 18 turnovers lamang, no? And that should be able to give them the impetus for the play rather than zero, relatively error-free game.
Well, sabi ko nga, pinakamasama po ang record ng Pacola pagdating sa turnovers dito ngayon sa ating liga.
Yes.
So, dapat lang na maibaba nila yan sapagkat that's a dubious distinction. Ano?
Not only that, itong Barangay Ginebra is averaging 15.3 turnover points a game, and they know how to capitalize.
No turnovers. Ito, si Escong Ballesteros takes it out. And
Yes.
Oh, yes.
And they'll come.
Inaabot actually ng banda pero nabitawan na ni William Antonio yung bola. Yung tumunog at saka o kaya ito, napakalaki kalaman ang kagad.
9-0 at hindi pa tumatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Ginebra to stop this juggernaut.
Well, sabagay. Kanina, yung unang game natin, parang ganyan din ang gusto eh. 5 points lang ang score ng Shell ng first quarter. Akalain mo nakahabol na nakahabol. Sumabot ng 20 puntos na yung kalamangan ng San Miguel. Pero nag-overtime at eventually nagwigi pa yung Shell Turbo Charger. Talking about turnovers.
Ito si Magtulis, pumasok na in place of hindi pa napalitan.
Si Banjo Calpido ang pinalitan kanina. Paul David, matanga ng bola against Johnny Abariento. Lumalabas si Vergel Menezes, the aerial warrior, pulls up. Oo, pero medyo malakas yung tira.
Mas ang field goal percentage dito ng Barangay Ginebra.
Johnny Abariento. 11-0 start here para sa Pacola Panthers. Barely 3 minutes gone by in the initial quarter. Tumawag ng 30-second timeout. Itong Barangay Ginebra, they need to regroup.
Well, this is a shock treatment, partner.
Yan ang goal pinigulat.
Talagang nagulat itong Barangay Ginebra. I don't think Coach Alan Caidic was prepared for this kind of running attack right at the beginning of the game. Hindi sila nakapag-laro ng transition defense. As a result, Pacola scoring easy baskets on the break.
We're in that 30-second timeout, and timeout means time for San Miguel. The low-calorie beer, only $12.50 at a store near you.
Partner, dapat sabihin din natin as we take a look at this move here against the Ballesteros, a kick out.
Nakakailang assist na rin yan si Escong Ballesteros. You saw that on a slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT. Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For deactivation, call 171.
Malakas pagkukulan dito ng Barangay Ginebra early in this game is ang kanilang defensive intensity, partner. In their 5 wins so far dito, they've held their opponents to an average of 69. But dito, yung depensa nila parang hindi pa natin nakikita.
Oo, ito nakawala na kaagad itong Pacola. Dito nag-turnover pa si Vergel Menezes. Ballesteros again with a kick out. This time to Johnny, and this is a 3-point shot. At si Paul David na nakakuha ng loose ball being egged on by Coach Alan yung katawan. Nakita mo naman yung talon na yun. Isang kamay lang ang gamit. At naibaba na naman niya kalamangan ng Pacola down to 7 points at 20-13. Ballesteros. He has done a lot of damage against Barangay Ginebra in the early going of this game. Napakita si Coach Lino ni Jill Limpot. Narito si Mark Tagiwa. Burning rubber once again. Apat na naman ang kalaban. Yes! Alam mo, para napanood ko sa Tagalog movies ito si Mark Tagiwa. Para sa Fernando po, isang batalyon ng kalaban, siya lang mag-isa. Tinatalo. Yung lahat ng mga hapon.
Single-handed
Oo,
effort.
kita mo.
Ang kalaban niya si Rudy Hatfield. 1 against 3.
Apat yan.
Oh, apat. Count another one.
And use of the slow-mo action. You're looking at the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Kanya naman parte na tawag natin sa kanya, Mark the Spark.
Oo.
Kita mo, no, doon si comes off the bench. Something happened. Ito kanyang very impressive average. 50% shooter from the line.
Tama.
At ang pinapalakpakan niya, ito si Mark Tagiwa, who took his spot.
Oo.
Then, Dahil Menendez at the net.
Samantala, Morales goes to red. Si William Antonio from the corner. Wala, Alex Crisano para sa rebound para sa Barangay Ginebra. Narito si J.J. Helderbrand.
Again, yung control tempo ng Barangay Ginebra. Slow down. And they're looking to set up. Pero mga play ng Ginebra, very basic, no? Isolation, one-on-one. Ganun yung mga play nila eh.
Ito, yung one-on-one naman ni J.J. Helderbrand. Medyo sumabog dahil nag-exhibition siya ng konti. Nadula. Ayun. Tinawagan ito dito. Ay, sabi niya. At ayun, nagawan siya at jump ball situation between J.J. Helderbrand and Ato Morano in front of the Barangay Ginebra basket. Helderbrand. Narito si Magtulis, si Jim Lipot against Nelson Saitono. Was coming for the first time. Kasi nakawala si Jim Lipot. Iniwanan ng gusto si Nelson Saitono.
What a
And
move!
you saw that.
What a move!
So that no fear slam. Jason Fears lift their team.
Nagkaroon ng sagutan dito between Limpot and Wino. Napakahan yata ng paa ito si Wino.
Medyo nag-uusap sila. Medyo
Limpot actually apologized and he tapped him on the head. Akala ni Coach Wino parang pinutuya siya. Pinalikan niya ito si Limpot. No, Limpot is not that kind of a player. Ito, tingnan natin. Kita mo naman ang head and shoulder fake. Hecto, sa'yo!
okay, dalawa na lang mga kaibigan. Ang kalamangan na Pacola, tumabot po yan kanina ng 11-0. Kung sa pag-upisa natin. At ay Tono, first pass to Hatfield is broken up by J.J. Helderbrand.
This is the dilemma that now faces Coach Alan Kaidig. Sino naman ang tatao niya dito kay Magtulis, who is his number 1 defensive stopper. Now, he's taking on Saitono. But who will take on Hatfield? Yun ang malaking problema ni Coach Alan Kaidig.
Dalawa yung kailangan mapantayan ng mahusay dyan. Hatfield at the line, only 18 seconds remaining in the first quarter, but the lead is now down to 2. Rudy Hatfield, pumasok yung una. His third point in the game. Look at Nelson Saitono, medyo hindi pa pinagpapawisan niya, kapapasok lang dito sa first quarter. But shot by Rudy Hatfield, and it's back to a 4-point lead para sa Panthers. Time for one last play here for Barangay Ginebra. Si Mark Tagiwa ang sumesenyo sa play para sa Barangay Ginebra Kings. Way na bitawa na naman ni Helderbrand. Another turn what? Pinagaw rin ni Helderbrand. Ibigay sa Limpot sa ilalim! At may humabol pa.
At end one situation para kay Jun Limpot.
At pangalawang foul ni Coach Wino. Tignan natin ang nangyari dito. Humabol si Coach. Sana pinabayaan na lang niya dapat siya. Talagang unang-una na si Jun Limpot. So ngayon, 3-point play pa ang ibibigay kay Jun Limpot. As Barangay Ginebra closes in with only 2.7 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Some body English from Jun Limpot to coax that ball to go. Morano tries a heave. Pumasok from midcourt! Morano!
Ato Morano with a half-court shot. Three-pointer.
What a way to end the quarter. Akala natin matindi na yung ginawang 3-point play ni Jun Limpot. Binalikan naman ng 3 points. Ito, from beyond the half-court line, actually. kay Ato Morano. It's a 4-point lead by the Pop Cola Panthers. 25-21 at the end of the first. Ito na po, umpisa ng ating second quarter. Nalaman ito ng Barangay Ginebra. The Pop Cola Panthers, 4-point lead by Pop Cola at 25-21. Bumalik na si Vergel Meneses. At ito, umaatras siya. Binigay sa ilalim kay Magtulis, who lost the ball once again.
Too many turnovers, partner, against
Oo.
Barangay Ginebra.
Marino pa yan. Although, malaki na itong improvement nila, no? Dahil naibaba nila yung kalamangan to 4. Although kanina, isa na lang yan. Kaya lang, tumira ng desperation attempt ito si Ato Morano as the shot, rather the game clock was about to expire in the first quarter. Mula sa gitna, ay pumasok yung pukol ni Ato Morano. 25-21 at the moment, a 4-point lead by the Panthers. Ito si Vergel Meneses. His pass inside. Ay na naman ang turnover ng Barangay Ginebra. Ito, takbuhan. As Rudy Hatfield is fouled by J.J. Helverbrand. In that fast break attempt. Second personal on J.J. Sa unang minuto po tayo ng ating second quarter. First day pala kahapon ng ating kaibigan, si ex-commissioner Rudy Salud. Ito, malaking kontribusyon po ang ginawa nito para sa ating liga, sa Philippine Basketball Association. Also, siyempre, sa boxing, kilalang kilala yan, sa Attorney
Former
Rudy Salud.
Secretary General of World Boxing, gentleman of the highest order.
Definitely. Batang-bata siya nung maging section siya ng WBA, no? At WBC ba?
WBC, World Boxing Council.
Oh.
Of course, he is the manager of the reigning WBC International. Ito flyweight champion si Jerry Peñalosa. At huwag natin kalilimutan mga kaibigan, Peñalosa will be fighting again May 5th sa Araneta
Dito, no?
Coliseum against the former WBA light flyweight champion Keiji the Prince Yamaguchi. Yan ang Japanese version ni Kasim Smith.
Samantala, ito naman si J.J. Helverbrand turning around to a jumper to bring the lead down again to 4 points. Habang ito naman ang Pop Cola ngayon si Chris Bulaga is in the game. Morano nandito si Antonio. He is measuring at Antonio. At Antonio pinihit.
Oh, yes.
By the goal. Anin ko naman ang kabante ng Pop Cola Panthers.
Kasama niya, maganda ang shuffling ng mga player, no? From both
Oo.
sides. Coach Alan Gaidek and Coach Scott Reyes looking at fresh legs all the time. Here's Helverbrand once more.
Eh, medyo nakakatakot kumisan si Helverbrand para maaagawan at parang hindi maganda yung shot selection dahil walang tao sa ilalim. Pero talagang sabi niya, papasok naman to. Hindi na kailangan ng rebound, sabi niya.
Paiba-iba mga kombinasyon ng mga dalawang pagkunan. No? For instance, si Tay Kalugat Barangay Ginebra, wala si Kagiwa starting the second period. Wala si Jun Limpot.
Yes, kapapalit lang kay Jun Limpot.
It's a cat and mouse game. And it's almost like a chess match. Ang ginagawa ni Coach Alan Gaidek, hinihintay niya mapagod itong mga reserve players ni Coach Chot Reyes before he puts in his starters, no? Or his king guns. Kasi si Kagiwa naman, hindi naman starter, no? But ito si Flash David is back in the ball game, pati si Jun Limpot. So, panti-unti, pinapasok niya yung mga reliables niya.
Samantala kanina, binati natin sa Attorney Salud. Sa birthday pala niya si Mick Pinisi. So sana happy birthday to Mick Pinisi. And hope he gets back in shape. No? In injury. At kasi ngayon naman, birthday pala ni Mrs. Mercedes Caidic. Yung mami ni Coach Alan. So happy birthday rin po.
Happy birthday sa inyo.
Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Attorney Salud, Mick Pinisi, Mrs. Caidic. At sa lahat-lahat ng mga nag-birthday. Dito mga panahon dito. It cut from the outside. Misses. Morano. To Antonio. Pero pa tayo 9.5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Humihingi na paso si Chris Bulado against Magtulis, against Banjo Calvo. matulak mo lang sa Chris Berhando, malaking bagay na yan.
Totoo. Natawa tuloy si Ferhel Meneses. But partner, that was a good foul because scoring
Oo.
situation. Yung para kay Chris Bolado. Now si Flash David, medyo napaaga kanyang balik dito because napansin ko sa aling kay Morano has been very active offensively.
Yes.
He needs a good defensive player on him.
31-25, lamang ng 6 ang Pop Cola Panthers. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga suki ng bayan ng Superstars, ang inyong mga lingkod. Ed Dixon Gulamang kasama si Ginito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Television. Paul David trying to shake off Pato Morano. Ooh, good Morano.
There's a foul.
Foul. Meron pa tayong 8 minutes and 47 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Unang foul on Chris Bolado. As you look at this bit of action on slow-mo, brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Ferhel Meneses, back to Bal David, short jumper, good net. And Morano picks it up to Nelson Asaitono. 8.5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Morano. Did he get a bit behind here because
He'll take 3.
oh, the 3-point shot did it.
He'll take 3. That's not a good foul, partner. Pero nakikita natin dito, may respeto. Parang nahinebra dito kay Ato Morano. And you watch it here. Hindi na napigil ni Baldavid yung kanyang momentum. Uy!
At kaya po, tatlong free throws ang ibibigay dito kay Ato Morano. Score standing at 31-25. Hoping ang gabi ngayon nila, Region 8, gabi na din ang Tacloban nga napalo. At ito kung sa gabi ganda Monsitik, Valdivia, Hirayuwin, Yaring, Hiraito, Hirayin, Golan, kumusta ka mga tanan, damong kasalamat, ano yung pagtagad, Ida Palo, Mario Cogon, Palo, Layton. Puro pala fans sa PJ mo. Alam mo yung Palo, yun na rin. Good at landing, General MacArthur. Ay, kami dito na sa pa. Ay, naman. Yung pagkabalong yung parts doon.
Morano, one more free throw coming up. Partner, maganda na sana ang ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra to slow down the game. Parang napigil nila ang transition attack ng Pop Bola. But what's doing Barangay Ginebra is their rate of turnovers. Napakarami. And we have to credit Pop Bola's defense for making that happen, partner. Too many errors in the part of Barangay Ginebra.
Samantala, Paul David down low to Ferhel Meneses. His pass.
Kumonti na naman.
Oo. Ayun, may foul. Referee Ibagan. Natigil sa lamang ni Ato Morano. His first personal. At sa kasalukuyan, dalawang team foul para sa Papola, 4 para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Itong kombinasyon ni Coach Sotres, partner, napakalaki. Malaki na nga kanina, mas malaki pa nga with the re-entry of Eston Ballesteros. Ito po front line nila, no? Ballesteros, Bolado, Asaitono, tsaka si Rudy Hatfield.
Oo.
That's a 4-forward combination.
At malalakas lahat yan eh.
Oo. Got a 4 frontline combination.
Oo.
Then si Eston Ballesteros is now going to be playing the number 2 spot.
Sesong actually started out for Pop Cola tonight. At talaga naman pinakita niya, nakarapat-dapat siya maging member ng starting unit. Ganda ang ginawa niya ng first quarter. He scored the first 2 points of the game. Got several rebounds, some assists. So maganda ang pinakita niya ng first quarter. Kaya naman sabi siguro ni Coach Chuck Reyes, pwede ka nang bumalik na maga.
Ito si Ferhel Meneses has improved on his scoring average from last year. Last season, partner, 13.3 ang average niya. Now he's hitting over 16. Meneses, 1993 most improved player, 1995 most valuable player.
The charities by the aerial Voyager and the lead of Pop Cola 7, 33-26. Meron tayo 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Play! Medyo, madulas ba yung bola o paano ba yan? Madulas ang sahig eh. Madulas ang kamay.
Madikit ang depensa.
Yun.
Mahirap kasi yung handoff eh. When you hand off, partner, you open up yourself to playing very cautiously. Ito si Ferhel Meneses na naman!
Doing what he does best.
Yes!
Iniwanan na lang niya si Eston jugada na bumagsak si Calpito. June Limpot, hinahabol ng double team. Balik ulit kay June.
Nice pick and roll.
Yes, and the fly. June Limpot with a floater, and Pacola. The Pacola lead, rather, is down to 3 at 33-30. Meron pa tayong 7 minutes remaining in the second quarter as you watch this floater by June Limpot. Ang ating score, 33-30. We have this timeout. Dr. Treston Alaksan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble visa, doble galing. Kanina po ay nakaiulat namin sa inyo na si George Lastimosa ay hindi maglalaro sapagkat meron nga akong injury sa tuhod at ang balita natin, inoperahan pa nga. Meron din pala si Joby Sese, knee injury din. Sabihin namin sana sa inyo kung ano yung medical term, pero nagtutulo mga tila namin, kaya po, huwag na.
Ano pa doon para kay Nebra, kasama yan, si Elmer Lago, hindi makakalaro. At saka ang kanyang kapatid na si Dwight had to leave hurriedly for the States because their father had an emergency operation.
Yun nga, sana naman ay gumaling na agad yung ama ni Dwight at Elmer Lago na nasa Amerika po ngayon para to attend to their ailing father.
Ito na naman si Rudy Haskins, ang kanyang offensive rebound, producing the 2 points.
Pero Hermanes is looking inside. Meron ba nakita sa referee Bernie de Dios inside. Johnny. Barrientos will pick up his first personal foul in the game. Pangatlong team foul niya ng Pacola. Meron pa tayong 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Ganda naman!
Ito partner, si Johnny Barrientos was still trying to explain his side kung bakit dapat hindi natawagan siya ng illegal defense. And quickly, pinapitalize naman flash the beat.
Samantala, Poch Vino at low post against June Dupont. Ginobili had about the bid at medyo each end at tawag kay Baldavic. Pangatlo na yan. That's his third.
And that's a very difficult task here for the point guards, or rather, for the point for the off guards ng Barangay Ginebra. No? They're looking for the guards to double team Coach Vino, who starts the triangle offense ng Pacola. And when you double on Coach Vino, and if you're a guard partner, who will you leave open? Antonio for the kick out or Johnny Barrientos for the penetration?
Ang hirap naman ang tira na yun. Really active. That's why you can't leave unattended.
Nakaupo si Magtulis partner. Magtulis earlier did a pretty good job keeping him quiet.
Ito, medyo minasahin ni Nelson sa ito ng CP. Banjo Calpito. Natawagan siya ng kanyang unang personal foul. You know, Rudy Hatfield started out slow on offense para sa Pacola, but he has now strung together 10 points para sa Pacola cause. And 5 ang abante ngayon ng Pacola, 37 to Barangay Ginebra's 32.
And partner, the last 2 baskets ni Rudy Hatfield, partner, came from very up close.
Uy, pangatlo rin yan, ni Coach Vino. Ito maaga tayo ngayon nagkakaroon ng mga biktima ng foul.
5:42 to go, both teams already in the penalty. Ito talaga yung gagawin ng Barangay Ginebra is to just drive and go to the line.
Ito si Vergel Menezes. Idikutan si William Antonio.
Another turnover.
Hindi shot niya. Papunta kay Banjo Calpito. Medyo alanganin.
Alam mo, mga dapat papasahan ni Vergel Menezes in that particular play would be someone like June Limpot, yung mahihilig kumat at saka dumukot from underneath. Pero si Banjo Calpito, who's really not known as a good finisher on that kind of a play, I don't know.
So, nagulat na lang siguro si Vergel. Nakita niya, nakapula eh. Sabi niya siguro, kung kakakto dyan, dapat alam mo kung ano gagawin mo.
Nako, ito.
Ay, may foul.
Foul.
Alex Crisano, medyo nagre-reklamo pa si Alex, pero tinawagan na siya ng foul. Alex Crisano with his second personal foul. Dito po, nakita ninyo, pag angat yun. The slow-mo brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Chief Caliwete, yes, ng Ballesteros. Partner, nakita natin sa ating slow-mo replay, Rudy Hatfield kept that ball alive for Estong Ballesteros to go to the line.
Remember that Pacola is trying to improve on their card of 4 wins and 4 losses. Samantala itong Barangay Ginebra, gusto pong makigulo dun sa mga namumuna ngayon. 3 namumuna ngayon eh. At 6-3, Yan po, San Miguel, Batang Red Bull, at Shell. Na kanina po ay nagwagi over San Miguel Beer in overtime.
And what a game that was, partner.
Oo,
no?
kung mananalo Barangay Ginebra dito, 4 na sila 6-3. Oops! Yun, sabi ni Bante, ano tama mo, Mr. Henson, sinasabi nyo kanina.
Alam mo, partner, if he's got his 2 feet planted on the floor, baka pwede pa, no? But if he's on the move, medyo nahihirapan siyang sumalo tapos maka-score pa.
Ganun pa ba, mga kaibigan, ang kalaman?
Taga-Tarlac yan, ha? Taga-Tarlac.
Ah, ganun.
Taga-Paniki, oh. Incidentally, happy fiesta yung mga taga-Paniki. This coming weekend.
Ka ba? Nandun ka ba?
Oo, pa, syempre. Tapos,
Pagbalot mo lang ako.
sa Santa Ignacia din, yung fiesta nila, ongoing at bukas merong malaking celebration. Hosted by Mayor Ray Nagoma.
Oh, happy fiesta po kayo. Abantala, lumabas ang bola. At ito, makita natin kung ano nangyari dito. Tugot si Banjo Calpito. 39-34, 5-point lead by Pop Cola. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Ito mo, partner, ang layo rin yung lipod, no? And he feels that with Banjo Calpito there, he might be able to get some help on the offensive board. Not quite.
That's right. At ito naman, yung tikada galing sa labas si Magturis, hindi pumasok. Ballesteros has it. Here's Nelson Azaytono. Hatfield is open. Ay, kapos! Pero nandun si Estong Ballesteros. Medyo kulang sa Pectos. Estong tries again. Estong loses it. And Berhel Benezo.
Oh, poor shooting. Mababa ang field goal percentage ng Barangay Ginebra.
Dito sa kabila rin, may naging piston eh. Ito, yan yung famous Johnny Abarientos move. And Nelson Azaytono. Bumihit. Wala! Tumama na yung likod ni Banjo, sabi ni Reverend Ilagan. Medyo nagkakagulo rito. Last 4 or 5 seconds na.
Ito si Maral Meneses. Goes back to the bench. Part of maganda na ang rotation ng Barangay Ginebra. They're showing some depth here. Medyo hindi maganda ang shooting ni Berhel Meneses. Kinainupupo na siya. Nicole Jaligay. Pumasok naman si Marshall Kiba.
Samantala, Johnny Abarientos inbounding knockout play. Rudy Hatfield.
Yes.
Rudy, Ronald McWillis was all over him, pero tumiscore pa rin si Rudy Hatfield.
And that's his area, partner. Underneath the basket.
Lumobo na naman ang kalamangan ng Pacola. 7-point lead. Good ball down to Helgebrand. Tukakua for the 3. Medyo mahina. Calpito. Nakuha ni Nelson Azaytono na binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos into the front court. 4-on-4. Mabilis din yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra rito ngayon. Kanina kasi nasulog sila ng mga basket ng Pacola. Tapos, nakalaran ka. Ang tira ng tres si Nelson Azaytono. Helgebrand with a pull-up jumper. Nope. May foul. May nakitang loose ball foul.
At sa penalty na.
Penalty na actually pareho ito.
Good situation now for Johnny Abarientos. Not a good foul to give.
Samantala with 2:33 remaining in the second quarter. A 7-point lead by the Pop Cola Panthers. We'll be back after this timeout. Rachel Alejandro. Alam mo, nakita ko, maliit pa yan eh. Anak ni Haji Alejandro, kumpare ko. At very talented young lady. She will be here at halftime. Of course, we're going to have our Adidas halftime report. Johnny Abarientos have the line. Pinamagana naman itong kalamangan ng Pop Cola. 8 puntos na po sa kasalukuyan at 42-34. Penalty situation on both sides. 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining dito po sa ating second quarter.
Ito si Johnny, partner. Feeling
story. Ang laki ng lamang ng Pop Cola dyan. Those stats brought to you by QuickType, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite.
Two bigger disparity partner. Itong parang missing or absent sa offense ng Barangay Ginebra. Yung low post threat. There,
Anong missing? Sabi ni Jun Lipot.
and it's about time that they set it up, partner, because Lipot is deadly off the turnaround and he can invite a double team. Partner, marami silang magagaling na kapes. Hagiwa, JJ Helderbrand.
Samantala dito naman sa kabila, si Nelson Asaytono. Sinusundan ni Alex Crisano. Asaytono. Step back.
Mahirap na tira yun. That's tough. He's a shot maker, partner.
Oo.
Nelson.
Balik na naman sa pito ang abante ng Pop Cola Panthers. Narito si Magtulis, down low to June Lipot. Bumihita naman si June. Simon Hatfield with the rebound. Narito si Johnny Abarientos. Binigay kay Hatfield. Pinabot kay Asaytono. 2 points. Nelson Asaytono now with 6 in the game. All of them scored here in the second quarter. And more importantly, inangat naman ang kalamangan ng Pop Cola to 9 at 47-38. Time for one last play here in the first half. Helderbrand looking at the clock against Johnny Abarientos. Binigay kay Chagiwa at the baseline. Dilabas ito. Helderbrand! 3-second violation fouled on June Lipot.
Ito, may pagkakataon pa.
1.6.
Yes, with 1.6 and they call a timeout.
Sabi nila, total may timeout naman tayo.
Okay, papasok nila ulit si Morano.
Kanina, just at as the buzzer sounded kanina ng first quarter, ay naipukol ni Morano. Actually, from backcourt pa yun. Dahil hindi pa maabot sa
beyond the half court.
Oo. At pumasok ni Gira to end the first quarter. And we're in a timeout. That means time for Sunmig Light, the low-calorie beer. Only $12.50 at a store near you. Magandang gabi po muli sa lahat ng ating mga taga-subaybay sa buong Pilipinas. Ed Pixon po naman. Kasama si Benito Henson para sa Viva Village Television. At ang larong ito sa kasalukuyan, lamang ang Pop Cola Panthers, 47-38. 1.6 seconds remaining dito po sa second quarter. At ang mga player para sa Pop Cola, Abarientos, Antonio Ballesteros, Asaytono at Hatfield. Sa Barangay Ginebra, Hagiwa, Helderbrand, Magtulis, Crisano at Lipot.
What Ginebra doesn't want is to foul.
Maganda sana yun, ha?
Oo.
Maganda yung ginawa nila. Natanggap ni Nelson yung bola, naipukol niya. With time to spare, yun lamang hindi pumasok. Ganun po man, mga kaibigan, Pop Cola still has a 9-point spread at the end of the first half, 47-38. Abangan po ninyo naman ang ating halftime break featuring Ms. Rachel Alejandro and of course our Adidas halftime report. Lamang pa rin ng siyam ang Pop Cola Panthers over Barangay Ginebra at the half, and here's how they scored, Querido.
Even distribution of points sa Pop Cola, partner. You see Abarientos and Asaytono with 6 apiece. Marami silang mga offensive options. Pag Barangay Ginebra, Meneses, only 5 points. Lipot already in double figures, partner. Pagkagiwa, very quiet 5 points. Scoreless in the second quarter. Ito si Mark the Spark.
Well, pinangako po namin sa inyo na magiging exciting itong larong ito at yan po ang napapanood natin kasama itong napakaraming tao na nagsipuntahan po rin sa Phil Sports Arena sa Pasig City. Samahan po ninyo kami sa pagtatapos itong larong ito sa pagpasok natin sa ating second half. Samantala, this has been your Adidas Halftime Report. Umpisa po na ating third quarter ng laban ng ito ng Barangay Ginebra at the Pop Cola Panthers. 9-point lead by Pop Cola. Binabangga-bangga, pinudunggul-dunggul si Alex Crisano sa loob at pumita na sa referee Chua. Rudy Hatfield picks up the foul. Second personal on Hatfield. Siya nga pala, catch another love concert in Antipolo featuring Jaja Padilla. Freestyle with a special participation of Jano Gibbs. This love concert will be on March 31st at 8 p.m. at the Inares Center at Antipolo City. Panoorin po rin yan. Ito si Alex Crisano, actually, minsan gumalaw ito parang hindi ganyan kalaki, no? Parang kayang-kaya niya yung katawan niya,
Only 4 points for Alex Crisano and partner. I think Barangay Ginebra needs him to score in double figures.
Kaya naman eh.
Last game, 15 points para Crisano. Nanalo yung Barangay Ginebra.
Yun ang hindi niya dapat nagawa. Sumundot pa siya galing sa likod. No need to do that. And he picks up his
natin, very valuable ito si Crisano because in the first half, sadly out-rebounded itong Barangay Ginebra 22-15, battle of the boards count.
Which is rather curious, no? Dahil itong Barangay Ginebra, kilalang rebounding team ito.
Exactly, pero partner,
Ito.
kanya naman ito si Coach Chot Reyes always has a tall lineup on the floor, no, to make sure that hindi makakontrol ng rebounds itong Barangay Ginebra. Kanya tama din ang ginagawang decision ni Coach Chot Reyes to have a lot of his tall boys on the floor at the same time.
Well, before this game, Barangay Ginebra was the top rebounding team in the All-Filipino with 45.8 or 45.9 rebounds average. Medyo naungusan na San Miguel sa 45.8. Jun Lupot rattles it. Hildebrand picks it up. Narito si Meneses. Pumpuesto si Jun Lupot against Hatfield. There's a double team. Libre si Marturis, but he bobbled a bit.
Napitawan na naman ang bola.
And he bumapak pa.
Oo.
Ang daming turnover ni Marturis ngayon, ha?
Too many.
Oo.
Martulis with 2 turnovers in the first half. Pangatlo na yan.
Oo.
At again, more errors on the part of Barangay Ginebra.
Here's Antonio. March Region nasa ibabaw. Johnny Abarientos pulls up. Hildebrand. Medyo nasubsig pa ng konti si JJ Hildebrand. Hirap kasi habulin ni Johnny. And it is an 11-point lead for the Pop-Cola Panthers.
At partner, it's nice to see the Flying A looking for a shot.
Oo.
Ha?
Totoo yan.
Kita mo, no? He was really looking
At
how
saka,
to get open.
makikita mo yung galaw ni Johnny para bumabalik na yung dati niyang bilis, no? Anderman. Oh, JJ Hildebrand. Tapal goal Casil by Port Villa. Pero nakuha ulit si Hildebrand. Sabi niya, ano? Nasupal-palong man ako eh. Pwede pa naman ako umulit eh. And the lead of Pop-Cola back down to 9 at 51-42. Estong Ballesteros lamang kay Mansuris. Nilabas kay Hatfield inside to Port Villa. Against Limple. Medyo masikip. Nilabas kay Hatfield ulit. Hatfield down the middle. Wala. Hatfield na rin. Wala ng foul.
What a great effort, partner. No? Offensive rebound. Siya na nagmintis. Siya pa nakakuha ng rebound.
Pangatlong team foul na yan para sa Barangay Ginebra Kings. If you look at this move by Rudy Hatfield on the slow mo, brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Magandang gabi mo rin sa atong mga linggo nila sa Iloilo kag sa Bacolod. Mayong gabi. Diyan sa Jensen pala. Marami tayong mga kaibigan dyan. Text lang sa akin si Parang Jody, si Clement Asensio, Mayor June, at Aaron. Good evening sa General Santos City.
Ito, 10-point lead by Pop-Cola.
At ang ating oras na nalalabing sa third quarter, 9 minutes and 6 seconds. Nakawala na naman si Hildebrand. Hinarap si Port Villa dito. Medyo nabago yung tira. Magtulis. Here's June Lipot. Ayaw. Nilabas kay Hildebrand. Hihingi ulit Lipot. Tumihit na lang against wala na gawa. And it is down to an 8-point lead for Pop-Cola. 52-44. Rudy Hatfield. Tumira na naman. Wala. Magtulis. Ito, yun ako nang maganda rito kay Magtulis. Natrabaho yan sa loob. Hildebrand to Lipot. Up against Willo.
Walang double team, partner.
Hihita nilang ayun. Dumating pa si Hatfield dyan. Wala na si Willo. Dumating si Hatfield. Pero pumasok pa rin sa bandang tira ni June Lipot. He's got 17 points in the game for Barangay Ginebra. It's down to a 6-point lead for Pop-Cola.
Remember ito si Will na partner with 2 personal again, the triangle offense.
Maganda rin yung pasa ni Poch Willo. Sabi ko nga, sa kanya nagbubula yung action ng Pop-Cola Panthers. So back to an 8-point lead for Pop-Cola. Kaya naman sila kay June Lipot. Up against Poch Willo. Hoy! Nagawa na ni Poch. Harap-harapan yun. Here's Hatfield against Crisano. At lalabas po yung bola. mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. You can't say it, text it. So free activation call 171. 8-point lead for Pop Cola. Nasa Barangay Ginebra ang bola Berhel Meneses. Meneses, good pass to JJ Helvita.
Medyo bumibilis ngayon ang laro ng Barangay Ginebra, but they're getting wide looks, or rather open looks in the basket because gumagalaw sila.
Oo, yun. Yung magandang kanta ni Helvita. Sakto yung pasa ni Berhel Meneses. Pero ito, sakto rin yung pabanda ni Pochuino. And Pop Cola back on top by 8 at 58-50.
Ano ba, partner, itong combination in Meneses, Kagiwa, at saka si Helvita, that's a very quick combination on the floor.
Oo.
Barangay Ginebra, you can expect points to come from that trio.
Ito na si Berhel Meneses sa double team. Steal.
Hindi maganda yung pasa.
This is a 2-on-1. Johnny back to Estong Ballesteros.
Count it!
Marunong siya.
Yes. And a beautiful pass galing kay Johnny.
Oh, yeah. At 10 na naman ang abante ng Pop Cola Panthers. Kagaya po na nasabi natin kanina, sa kumpisa pa lamang, ang Pop Cola, ang standing nito, 4 wins, 4 losses. Barangay Ginebra trying to get a share of the lead. And the elimination round of the All-Filipino Conference of the 2001 season with the Bayan and Superstar. Ballesteros. Johnny for the three. Yeah.
Oh, he's feeling it, partner. Abarientos.
PLDT long distance shot by Johnny in the groove tonight. 13 puntos na ang abante ng Pop Cola Panthers on that shot by Johnny Abarientos. Meron po tayong timeout. Dr. Trust de Lacsan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble visa, doble galing.
Partner, nagkaroon ng turnover dito, no? Right on the inbound. At yung Barangay Ginebra again with another error.
Oo, dumadami lalo Pero si Johnny naman masyadong malalim yung kanyang tira doon. At ito. Parang Johnny.
Number 14, Johnny Abarientos.
Pangalawa lang yan ni Johnny Abarientos. And as you look at Coach Alan, saan pa nakaupo si Coach Alan? Nandun sa baseline.
Wala doon sa bench.
Yung inipuan yung mga bola. Gusto na yun ang Coach Alan. Samantala, ito si Johnny. Antonio out to Johnny Abarientos.
That was a shot for William Antonio. That's not so they go for the mismatch.
Uy, ang ganda ng pasa rin. Estong Ballesteros to Coach Video for the No Fear Slam. Face your fears. Live your dreams. At ito na pinakamalaking kalamangan sa laro. 15 puntos sa abante ng Pop Cola over Barangay Ginebra.
Well, it's a collapse of the defense. Barangay Ginebra, no? Hindi na sila nagro-rotate. Napapabayaan yung overpass. Pero ako, I think nabombard yata sila sa umpisa. Although they were able to come back, parang hindi nila nakakuha yung momentum nila, no? They never regained their momentum after bringing that lead down to just by 1.
Will Antonio, that's a PLDT long distance shot. Aba, ano ito? 16 na bigla, ganito.
Well, doing everything right itong Pop Cola.
Oo.
Saka napigil nila yung mga turnovers. At ito naman Barangay Ginebra, well, they keep on turning the ball over and giving more opportunities. Ito na naman.
Ganda sana ng pasa niya ni Berhel Meneses si Banjo Calpito, but he ran into Rudy Hatfield. Fortunately for Barangay Ginebra, nagpang naman si Rudy Hatfield with his third personal. Pero actually, alalahanin nyo nung first game natin. Umabante ng 20 puntos yung San Miguel over Shell in the third quarter. Pero hinabol yun ng Shell, nag-overtime, and eventually, nagwagi na po ang Shell Turbo Chargers at ang score doon, 80-73 for Shell. For the Shell win.
Itong Mark the Spark. Partner, I think Barangay Ginebra should learn a few lessons from what Shell did to San Miguel. Ginawa ng Shell, they came back with good, consistent shooting.
Ito, good consistent 3-point shooting naman. At ito, Murano drains the PLDT long distance shot.
Ang problema dito ng Barangay Ginebra, they're turning the ball over too many times, giving
with 29 seconds remaining in the third quarter. At bago natin ibalik ang aksyon, mga kaibigan, panoorin natin itong CMG swipe of the game. Makikita po ninyo ginawa ni Ruby Hatfield. You just saw the CMG swipe of the game from CMG, your provider of life insurance, pension, education plans, and the CMG Health Swipe Card. Naimbag na rami amin of Apulacay, Ditahan, Northern Luzon. Ang inyo po mga lingkod, Ed Gibson po lamang kasama si Benito Hanson at magandang labanan ng Top Cola at Barangay Ginebra. Ito pa na mga, kaya pala naman ang ganda ng laro ni Johnny.
Aha.
Ayan, kasama yung anak niya, si John Angelo, yung misis niya si Annie. Ayan, si Johnny. Sorry, wala kami mic dyan.
Kanyang ina, no?
Si
Loli Abarrientos. Palagi
Ito pala eh.
nandito, oo. Here, her son. Kaya naman ang sequence natin, no? The Abarrientos family.
Oo. At lamang po ang team ni Johnny, 71-56. Gandang pasahan ng Barangay Ginebra, Mark Tagula, runs into the defense. Alvito. Pinapit ni Ballesteros, pero nako rin Jim Lipot. Tagula in three-point country. Rubio. Para si Morano, nakita si Will Antonio, inagawa naman ni Mark Tagula. Tagula, tuloy-tuloy sa front court. Pero nag-aabang ang depensa. Will a jumper, yes, Mark Tagula.
Ano ba siya magaling ito si Kagiwa, partner? Stopping on a dime.
Oo.
Kanyang pull-up jumper. That's the second time he's done that. Sa larong ito, no? Pull-up jumper, tapos ito naman ang sasabi natin. Third quarter turnovers.
And those times brought to you by Quick Time, the all-in-one blue technology by Will Antonio. The PLDT long distance shot. Remember, for only 40 cents a minute, call any country, anytime on any PLDT phone through PLDT IDD.
Alam mo, partner?
Pangatunan niya yan.
Yes, and that's like a dagger in the heart. So, nagkakampak itong Barangay Ginebra, tapos titirahan mo ng 3-point shot. I mean, that hurts. May traveling violation. Another turnover.
Sayang, panihon mo yung 3-point niya.
Oo.
Pero maganda rin yung idea ni Magtulis, yun lang. Nag-travel.
Error after error. And Coach Allen Gaigit, very quiet on the bench. Kasama niya ang kanyang assistant na si Chris Kalilan.
Ohoy. Ganda na naman. Estong. Wala. June Lipot for the rebound. Here's Val David. Oops. Magtulis. Val David going one-on-one against Atong Morano. Malaki si Morano. Hindi makatira na ko. Tres to Lipot. Wala. And Coach Junior keeps it alive para naman sa top corner Panthers. And Coach Scott Reyes considering Atong Morano to take it easy. Only 30 seconds remaining in the game, in the third quarter, rather. Antonio, Luis Bulano, libre. Sabo.
Hindi naman nag-iitay na pasa yan.
Sabi ni Chris, karo naman kayo walang tiwala sa,
Kasi wala ka depensa. Kahit
Oo.
Chris Polado, that defense was focused towards Estok Vallenteros on the low post. And again, collapse on defense ng Barangay Ginebra. So evident in that play when Chris Polado hit the shot.
Estong. Wala, hindi pumasok yung tres, but a nice try. Anyway, dito po, pinakamalaking abante ng Pampanga Panthers sa Barangay Ginebra as we go to the fourth quarter. 18-8 ang bubuluin ng Barangay Ginebra sa pagtatapos po ng laro ito. Pero tandaan nyo, ang Shell kanina 20 yung pinuno. Sila na pa nanalo. So panoorin nyo ang fourth quarter ng laro ito in just a short while. Uy, nandito naman si Rufa May Quinto. Sino kaya yung pinapunan niya ng halik? Oo,
One year. Naku, ang ganda naman. Framing, ano? Yan ang sinatawag natin ang sequence.
Ayon sa aking bubuit. Maraming bibigyan natin sa maraming nangyayari. Maraming mga pamumulit. Ato Murano ay tumabas. 76-58 po ang ating score in favor of the Pampanga Panthers as we start the fourth quarter. Dito po sa ating laro ng Barangay Ginebra Top Corner. This is how they scored in the first three. That's brought to you by Quick Time, the only all-in-one blue technology by Lockdown.
Ito na po buto ng top goal sa third quarter. 29 points for the Panthers.
Samantala, June Limpon inside.
Number 24, Chris Polando.
Chris Polando tatawagan ng kanyang second personal foul.
Panthers. 2 free throws
So two shots here for Surigao.
The most consistent scorer for Barangay Ginebra sa larong ito. No? Pero
Kailangan ng tulong niya.
yeah, pero hindi naman sila nagkukulang sa offense, partner. It's in the defense na talagang kulang na kulang sa intensity, sa rotation, sa communication.
Akala mo kung ilang ba 3-point shots yung give up nila nung third quarter lang. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Eh, dun sila dinurog eh.
Actually, nung third quarter, Ginebra out-rebounded Papola 10-5. Pero ang Papola kasi, shot 70%.
Kaya hindi na kailangan na
Very
rebound.
little room for rebounding, no? At least offensive rebounding for Papola.
Oo. Ato, Murano. Kabilang sa Val David. Richard Val is going to be called on Val David. Pang-apat na yan. Kay The Flash. Samantala, ito, panoorin natin para naman medyo sumaya-saya yung mga taga-barangay Ginebra. Ito, Jimmy Front, what a slam jam. That was your no fear slam. Face your fears. Live your dreams. Asay Tono. Siguro na sa Asay Tono, medyo easy yung trabaho ko ngayon dahil malaki lamang lumubuli niya eh. At ginagawang mga trabaho nung iba niya mga kakampi.
Exactly, partner, no? Very good distribution of points
Oo.
on Papola side. Yes, Sartono now with 8 points. Barrientos, nasa double figures na rin.
Tama. At nasa bench pa ngayon, si Granny. So, Chris Bulada, ayun, magandang pitch. Yeah, pinabit pa. We will and run for the no fears down. Face your fears, live your dreams. 20 puntos na po mga kaibigan ng abante ng Papola over Barangay Ginebra. Look at the rebound, yung sinasabi po, no? Pero ang laki naman ng disparity sa field goal. Those stats brought to you by QuickSight, the all-in-one blue technology by Lifetime.
Yan ang sinasabi ko kanina, itong Barangay Ginebra, hindi naman sila nagkukulang sa offense, no? Because they shot 56% in the third quarter. But partner, giving up too many points defensively, no, for Papola, and to allow Papola to score close to 70%, yun ay talagang collapse in defense sa tinatawag.
Kaya ito po, ngayon mga kaibigan, 20 puntos na itong hinahabol ng Barangay Ginebra with 10 minutes to go. Will Antonio. Alalahanin po ninyo, tatlong kuparang ngayon na nag-nangunguna. Nice passing play, Morano to Hatfield.
Perfectly executed, partner.
Oo.
Ang ganda naman ng pasa.
Ang sinasabi natin, tatlo po ang 6-3 ngayon, na kupunan. San Miguel, Barangay Red Bull, at ang Shell Turbo Chargers.
And for what's happening here, partner, aakyat itong Papola
5-4.
to 5-4 at tatabla sila sa Barangay Ginebra.
Oo, magkakapareho na sila ng win-loss card.
Oo. Not that we're conceding the win.
Malayo pa ito, malayo pa ito, pero-
Malayo pa ito, 9-18. Pero the trend is very clear, no?
Oo. Ito na sa Itonos Miss. Pero alam mo, magkabit-kabit lang ng konti itong mga puntos ng Barangay Ginebra.
Ano ko?
Ano, magkakabit-kabit.
Oo.
Nagbitis sa fast break.
Pamalas naman yung tira ni Berhel
Oo,
Meneses.
okay na sana lahat eh.
Alam mo, naninilig rin dito ang stick ni Berhel Meneses for double-figure scoring. He's one of only 7 players to score double figures in every game so far this conference.
Dito pa lang ang kanyang puntos ng kasalukuyan. No? Lumalayo pa nga ito, no? Oy, may offensive foul.
Number 99, Rudy
On Rudy Hatfield. Medyo nagreklamo siya ng pangiti. Pero, well, parang pakiramdam niya ng Papola, can afford naman eh. So far, pero sabi nga natin, malayo pa ito. Ganun pa sa dito.
Yes, yun ang perfect execution partner. That came off the triangle again.
Yes, so that slow-mo
Oh.
action was brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it for free activation power 171. Ayun, na-Jonix na rin.
Oo, sa harap ng butas.
Oo.
Nakaka 9 points na ito si Berhel Meneses. So close to hitting his double figures.
Oh, 9 points eh. Meanwhile, Nelson Asaytono against Alex Crisano. Asaytono, binigay kay Volado sa loob. Dalawa ng BB break shot para kay Chris Volado.
So partner, mukhang team player ngayon ang nilalaro ni Nelson Asaytono.
Oo.
He's not forcing his shot. He's playing the full group sa kanilang triangle and he's passing the
para sa Popcola Panthers, we have this timeout. Dr. Tresta de Lacsan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble bisa, doble galing. Estong Ballesteros, one-hander is too strong, and Meneses has the rebound para sa Barangay Ginebra. Nag-ahabol pa rin ang Barangay Ginebra. Inside, intended for June Limpot, ball's knocked away. It'll stay dito po sa hanay ng Barangay Ginebra.
And si Rudy Hatfield is sitting on the bench for personal fouls. At ito, pagkakataon na ng Barangay Ginebra to make closer. Naku!
Medyo sa naman, medyo kumukonting oras, 6 minutes and 44 seconds to go. Paul Chilino has it. 16 puntos pa sa ginahabol ng Barangay Ginebra. Julio versus Crisano. Ito si Helter Brand. Pero nandiyan si Murano. Inabot kay Crisano. Layup. Para kay Alex Crisano.
Ang ganda pa yata kung
Pwede pa ito, ha?
yes, pwede
Pwede
pa
pa ito. 14 lang yan. At binalik na kagad si Coach Scott Reyes, si Rudy Hatfield.
Pati si Barrientos.
Oo. Papasok man sa next dead ball situation. Rudy naghihintay sa loob.
Oh,
Pero decides.
Mabigat yun, partner. That's a big shot.
Oh, that's a PLDT long distance shot. Huh?
Di yata.
Diba?
Just a two-pointer.
Okay. So, again, 2 points lang. Helder Brand from the side. Wala. Samantala, meron pa tayong 5 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. 16 puntos. Ang lamang ng Popcola nasa kanila ang bola. Nice give and go. Estong Ballesteros from Port Junior.
Excellent pass, partner. Coming again from the triangle formation. Sa kanilang low post. Looking for the cutter. Ang option ng low post man, partner, to pass to the cutter or to kick out to the spot-up shooter.
Samantala, ganito yung ilan sa mga napakaraming tao na rin ito ngayon sa Two Sports Arena. Medyo dadahan-dahan ng lumalabas. Dahil hindi na ituloy ng Barangay Ginebra kanina. Ibinabanan nila sa 14. Ngayon balik na naman sa 16. At hindi pa pumasok yung tira ni Alex Crisano. Nelson na sa Itono. They've got Hines on their hand. Alex Crisano gives up the foul.
Well, in this game, partner, hindi gumana yung outside shooting ng Barangay Ginebra. That's very, very obvious.
Gumana naman yun sa Popcola.
Exactly. And not only that, natulungan din by the fact that Popcola committed way below its usual rate of turnovers.
Oh.
Yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra, medyo pumulapso. Hindi naging consistent here in this game. And itong Barangay Ginebra actually has leaned on its defense to win games. No? It's 5 wins. They forced an average of 69 points a game on their opponents. Lamang.
Ito, magbulubenta rito eh. 4 minutes pa.
So, there was really a total collapse of the defense ng Barangay
ni Berhel, wala. Ito si Meneses, hindi pa nag-double figures, ha?
Oo.
Kanina pa yung 9 points na yan. Sabi mo nga, sayang yung kanyang streak, ano? Na parating double figures on offense.
O kung hindi na sila, this particular conference, hindi ko na lang.
Inabot pa rin Berhel yung tira ni Ponchinio. Tatawagin siya ng foul and you'll send Ponchinio to the line. Samantala, we'd like to present to you our close-up confident smile of the night. You too can have strong, shiny white teeth with that dazzling close-up smile with close-up. For strong, shiny white teeth, precious fresh breath, that's close-up confidence. Yan po si Maricel Reyes. 2 minutes 44 seconds remaining at mukhang ipapasok si Coach Scott Reyes yung kanyang mga, ilan sa kanyang mga bench players, no?
Pasak troopers siya, ha?
Si Mon Jose at si Arnold Gamboa.
Pati na rin si Coach Alan Gaidic, and this game is over.
Marlon Basco for
Si Marlon Basco at si Banjo Calpito, si Merwin Castelo. Papasok yan para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Gamboa for Daniel Rientos.
Yan, si Arnold Gamboa. Papalitan si Johnny. 2 minutes and 44 to go. Big 21-point lead by Pop Cola.
Partner turnover situation ng Pop Cola, 12 turnovers, so that's way below.
Oh,
ang average
20
ng
plus yan, oh.
And ang Barangay Ginebra naman, ako 21. Nagkakabaliktaran.
Good, no matter the shoes on the other foot. Hildebrand. Here's Berhel Meneses. Did he hit? Correct, 11. 11 points for Berhel Meneses. Pero, I'm sure, okay lang sa kanya sana kung hindi na tuloy-tuloy yung stick niya. Kasi nanalo sila. Pero, as it is a big win here. The top goal of Panthers. At magiging back-to-back win ito, no? Para sa Pop Cola.
Marlon Basco. His first 15 foul.
Partner, itong Pop Cola has now, or will now be winning 4 of its last 6 games. And following up their victory over Santa Lucia. 72-69. Ito si Coach Wynn, partner, na 1996 Most Improved Player Award. The same year that Johnny Abarientos won the Most Valuable Player Award. Pareho sila.
Alaska
Playing
sila, no?
for Alaska.
Uy,
Pagsak si Kagiwa.
balik sa lupa.
Alam mo, lumalaban pa ito si Kagiwa.
Oo.
Just like Rudy Hatfield, but Hatfield is now still on the floor. Alam ko, napalitan ito si Rudy Hatfield. Si Coach Wino papalitan ng Pop Cola. Now, Monose is on the floor. Scored his first PBA points last game. He had 4 points.
Ito si Banjo Calpito. Body against Gamboa. Hatfield with the pitch. Napunta kay Yunatoyo, the slide. And Mark Kagiwa gets it back para sa Barangay Ginebra. Kagiwa having some problems. Ito.
Si Morano wide open!
Ang bilis din talaga nito si Morano.
Experienced player. Ito si Ato Morano coming from the NBA. Many-time national team player.
22 puntos ang abante ng Pop Cola as Hildebrand misses.
At 22 turnover din. Ito para kay Ginebra.
Mon Jose. Ito si Arnold Gamboa na naman si Ato Morano. Balik-balik si Mon Jose against Kagiwa. Nabitawan ang bola. Napulot ni Marlon Basco at ni Banjo Calpito. Here's Merwin Castelo. Kagiwa. Baseline. Yes. Ito medyo going through the motions tayo dito, no? Kakabuli pa ni Marlon Basco. Wow! And Castelo with the rebound. At Kagiwa. Ito si Kagiwa. Ang taken matters into his own hands. Bawat tawag yan, titira rin siya.
Wala na ibig tumidira dito sa Barangay Ginebra. But it's almost all over now. Ito si Gamboa. reaching that outlet.
Wala niya, hindi na nakatingin yung referee. Aba, allowed pa na tayo mga siguro sa Alan Kaidik. With 34.5 seconds left and a 20-point lead by Pop Cola. We'll be right back.
Nakura sa Who Wants to be a Millionaire? Tuwing ikailang taon nagkakaroon ng Olympics. Letter D4. D4 is correct. Letter C, bar. C, bar for 10,000 is correct. Tama ka. Jim Kelly, tama ka. For 100,000 pesos is correct. Yes! Tama ka for 200,000 pesos. I believe in destiny. If I have to win this one, I have to win this one. No matter what. Arnie B. Hiro Onoda is correct. Yes! Who wants to be a millionaire? Yung Lunes, Martes, Jueves, alas 8 ng gabi. Dito lang sa Viva TV.
This program is presented to you by PLDT, the power of convergence, and Smart IDD.
34.5 segundos ang nalalabi po sa ating laro ng Barangay Ginebra. At the Pop Cola, 20 puntos ang lamang ng Pop Cola Panthers. Magandang gabi muli. Ed Pixon mula kasama si Chinito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Television. Last 34.5 seconds of this ball game. At monumental collapse, no? On the part of Barangay Ginebra. Ito medyo gusto makuha ni Coach Alan Kaidik itong yung play na yun. Kaya pinag out niya.
Oo. At bumong naman. Banjo Calvito with a close range shot.
So ito. Rudy Hatfield, top of the key. Oy, there's a steal by Helderbrand. Hatfield, nandun sa lalim, pero basketball missing, Kagiwa. Tignan natin who will have the last say in this game. Juan Jose, he's gonna play, pero magpupunta na si Alan Kaidik sa midfield para congratulations sa Reyes. Pop Cola Panthers with a big win over the Barangay Ginebra Kings to the tune of 100. Yan po, pagkakapanalo ng panglimang laro na panalo ng Pop Cola. They go to 5-4. Tabla na sila ng Barangay Ginebra. Pareho na silang 5-4.
At yung pagkatalo ng San Miguel kanina sa Shell Velocity partner, really jumbles up the standings ngayon.
That's
Kapit-kapit na lahat ng mga team.
Dikit-dikit po dito sa itaas. At actually, dikit-dikit din sa baba eh.
Sa baba ka din.
Sa baba, hindi rin nakakalayo eh. So, ayan.
At malayo
Very
rin.
interesting, ha?
Yeah, 14 game schedule dito sa ating eliminations per team, no?
Oo.
Kanya itong Santa Lucia 2-6 still has a chance to
Meron
move
pa yan.
up.
May pag-asa pa yan.
Oo.
Samantala, mga kaibigan ng ating Viva Mineral Water Best Player of the Game. Walang ibang kundi si Estong Ballesteros. Ngayong gabi mo diha. Tong. Congratulations, Tong. Ayan, ang kanyang numbers, no? All-around play, actually, ni Estong Ballesteros mula nung umpisa hanggang doon sa paglabas niya.
He started the game, partner, at saka pinoposte ni Ballesteros yung kanyang mga kalaban. He was playing number 2 a lot of the time during the game.
Samantala, ang ating Super Volcasil Tapal